Well, hello everybody, this is Mike Kilgore coming to you here in Sun City, and I've got Bill here with Supreme Pressure Washing. And the reason that we're here is because I'm here to endorse Bill to make sure that you guys know that he is a master certified contractor. Now, what does that actually mean? It means that Bill has gone through all the steps that we require for a contractor to go through to become a master certified contractor. That includes the intro to sealing, the intermediate to sealing, the advanced sealing class, doing 5 jobs, getting out there and doing everything the Trident way. So if you're a customer and you're deciding whether or not you should use Bill or not for your job, I strongly suggest that you reach out to him. We're from the manufacturer of Trident. We have stringent ideas that we want these guys to go through so that they can provide the best for you. But the one thing you can count on is that Trident's going to support Bill. If he comes across any problems, we're going to be there to help him. Make sure that he makes sure your product turns out the best it can be.